I'm at the beach right now, and of course there's a lot of noise behind. But let's see with this sound editing tool how much noise can we control. If I remove the filters, this is how I sound. And with the filters, is the magic. Without mic.
I am using Adobe Premier Pro for this. Import your file and select the layer. Go to the effects panel and type denoise. Drag and drop the filter on this layer. Click on the edit and select heavy noise reduction. Once again go to the same effects panel and select mastering. This will surpass the background noise even higher and select subtle clarity. That's it, here you go.
If I remove the filters, this is how I sound. And with the filters, is the magic. Without mic.